Hi. So today is time to decorate my coffee bar. If you are ready, I am ready too. So let's get started. Yippee! So I got this beautiful card. This one is from Target. $5. And I'm just gonna put here in this corner. I got this beauty, $3 at Dollar General. Okay, be nice. Honeybee. Life is Sweet from Hobby Lobby, $6.99, but it's 40% off. Okay, the coffee canister right here. I'm gonna put this towel. It's a set of 2. A cake stand. And I got this beauty, $7.99. I think this one is from Home Goods. Right there in the corner, a flower, a bee, and be happy. I got this beauty. It's a candles. It's a beautiful arrangement made from this flower here. And just 1 strawberry to give a little bit of touch right there. Let it be. Beauty. Milk creamer, only $3.99 in an offer. Just here. This beautiful arrangement with a ribbon and the bee just in this corner. There we go. And I already put ribbons on here. Be happy. This beautiful cup. Oh, happy day. This one was $4.99 on Bells. And I got it like, I think 2 years ago. It's beautiful. So I can just here. I have a set of 4 on sale for $3.49. I'm just gonna put it here. And just a rose here in this corner. That was a present from one student. There it goes. I like it. Time for the bottom part. I'm just gonna put this that said blessed right here in the middle, and then a bee from Hobby Lobby, $1.99. candy canisters, a card one, and I just put some lollipops that I already have here. On the other side, I have this candy globe, and I just put some lollipops that I already have here and some candies for my tutoring students. I have this from Five Below. I think I buy it in February for Valentine's, and I'm gonna put just there in the middle. And then I'm gonna have this too. It's for sugar maybe from Bees, but I'm just gonna use it only for decoration. And just for decoration, the other two canisters that I already put in the top so everything matches. What do you think? Tell me in the comments.